In this video, we will learn how to create a spacer, reading the instructions from an orthographic drawing and using the custom template that we designed in the previous video. We will start with a basic sketch on the front plane, add dimensions, and then use the extruded boss space feature to finalize our part. If you would like to register for our next available training session, please contact us and we will send you more information. It has an outer diameter of 30 millimeters, an inner diameter of 10, and a thickness of 5, so pretty simple, right? Let's then start with a sketch on the front plane. I will use my mouse shortcuts and swipe to the right to select a circle. That's the inner circle, and the outer circle. Swiped upwards for my dimension tool. Now my first dimension will scale the rest of the sketch. Outer diameter of 30 and inner diameter of 10. Once I'm happy with that, I can then go and extrude that. That was a thickness of 5. So let's change that to a blind of 5 millimeters and we can click OK. And as simple as that, there we have our spacer.